Holy mackerel! How do you get through something like this with a 9-foot wiggly fly rod? This week on Catch Guide Fishing Books. This is why you don't want to assemble your rod before you get to the stream. It limits your opportunities to get through thick brush and makes it challenging. Instead, leave your rod totally disassembled until you get to the stream. I tell you, you do this for a mile on a hike, and it sucks. So much easier to move with the rod disassembled. It's much easier to negotiate between trees and leaves. You can move much faster, and you'll be at the stream sooner. And since it takes the same amount of time to rig up on the water as it does at the truck, why not just do it at the water? So much easier. Not pushing a 9-foot stick in front of me. Hope you find this tip useful. Take care.